Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up GRT Wi-Fi Extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this GRT Wi-Fi Extender setup is one of the best. Basically, the GRT Wi-Fi Extender is a compact device that helps boost your existing Wi-Fi signal and extend coverage to areas with weak or no connection. It works by receiving your router's wireless signal and rebroadcasting it. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, plug your GRT Wi-Fi Extender into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED to go solid. This can take 20 to 60 seconds on some models. If there's a status or system LED, watch until it stabilizes instead of continuously blinking. On the router, find WPS label or two-arrow icon. On many routers it's a physical button, on some it's a software button, and the router web interface physical is easiest. Press the router's WPS button once, or press hold for 2 seconds if the manual says so. You should see a WPS LED start to blink, or the router's UI will indicate WPS is active. WPS mode stays open for a short window. You must press the extender's WPS within this window. Within the router's WPS window, within about 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the GRT extender. Some extenders require a short press, others require you to hold 2 to 3 seconds. Press as instructed on the sticker/manual. If unknown, press for 2 to 3 seconds. The extender's WPS LED will usually blink while trying to connect. This process often completes in 30 to 90 seconds. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds until the WPS or signal LED turns solid green or blue, depending on your model. This means the extender is successfully connected to your router. Unplug the extender and move it to a spot between your router and the weak signal area. Plug it back in and wait for the LED indicator to show a stable connection, solid or good signal color. Your GRT Wi-Fi extender is now successfully set up using WPS. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.